Hey folks, Bob Thibodeau here. This is session 3 on our Bitcoin financial free journey. Okay. This session is the compounding blueprint from $500 to $20,000 per month in about 18 to 20 months. I want to be upfront with you here. I'm not some math wizard. Okay. I don't sit around with spreadsheets trying to figure out compounding interest formulas and Bitcoin mining hash rates for fun. All right. But I do know where to go to get these answers. So when I started looking for a realistic way to grow a Bitcoin based income stream, starting with just $500, I went to my good friend Chat GPT. Hey, use it when you can, right? And I gave Chat GPT the exact parameters I was looking for. Start with $500. Use the daily earnings rate of the $500 mining contract. Factor in the 5-day contract period. Then simulate what happens if I renew the contract each time it comes up for renewal, keeping the profits in play. And as soon as enough earnings accumulate, we upgrade to the next contract level. And we keep doing that over and over and over. The key rule in all this was no spending any more money after we start. That's it. The $500 is it. Okay. The only time I added a little extra was in the very first month when I kicked in an additional $55 in order to upgrade quicker to the $750 contract. That was it. So other than the $555, there's going to be no more out-of-pocket money from me after that point. Okay. And here's what the numbers showed me. The results were eye-opening. By simply rolling over the profits and upgrading as soon as possible, the compounding effect kicks in. Small contracts grow into larger contracts. Daily earnings multiply. The pace accelerates with each upgrade. And the best part, you're not risking thousands of dollars or hundreds of thousands of dollars in the process. You're letting the original $500, in my case, extra $55, $555, just to do the heavy lifting. It goes from small steps to big results. Through this strategy, the projection showed I could scale up from $500 contracts to the $750 contract, a month or so later to $1,200 to $2,900 and beyond, eventually stacking plans that bring in $20,000 plus dollars per month, all within a realistic 16 to 18 to 20 month time frame, right in that area. That's the power of compounding inside a shared Bitcoin mining infrastructure. No hardware to buy, no electric bills to pay, no headaches. All right, just strategic reinvestment. So, in the next session, we're going to talk about managing growth wisely. In session 4, I'm going to walk you through the next important piece. When should you keep reinvesting? When should you start pulling profits? How do you protect what you've built while still allowing it to grow? Because it's not just about hitting $20,000 per month. It's about knowing how to manage that income stream smartly. All right. So stay tuned for session 4. Don't forget, there's a link down below that goes to the platform, KSD Miner, that we're going to be using to achieve this goal. So click the link down below. It is an affiliate link. Okay. All this information I'm giving with you is not to be taken as financial advice. All right. It is not to be taken as financial advice. Matter of fact, I'm going to share this screen with you here. Bring this over here. I want you to see this. I'm going to put this on every video moving forward. Right here. Right there. Okay, because this is not financial advice. The content you are watching is for educational and informational purposes only. I'm simply documenting my personal journey in this, showing you what I'm doing, how I'm doing it, and why I chose this path based on my own research and my own personal decisions. You are 100% responsible for your own decisions. If you choose to follow a similar path, you do so at your own risk. You need to do your own research, consider your own risk tolerance, and make decisions that are right for you. Investing in digital assets, including Bitcoin mining contracts, carries risk. Past performance does not guarantee future results. Only invest what you can afford to lose. Hence, I'm only going to start and stay at $500. That's it. Okay. That's my goal in all this. Just to keep it at $500, but to grow that where I am sitting really well in about a year and a half or so. All right. That's all the time we have for today. Till next time, Pastor Bob reminding you we are going to be blessed in this. And after that, in all that we do.